Today we're at Crail. We're here to explore the coastal area of Fife. Let's check it out. Today we're here with Holly and Lauren. If you can just see her, she's just somehow climbing up a wall. This is Crail, and today we're exploring the Fife Coastal Route. So what's the plan of action then, girls?
Going to go a walk.
Go for a walk and just
see what's happening.
Chilling out in the local area.
Yeah, enjoying the day off.
It's lovely. Might get an ice cream.
I was thinking that.
Yeah.
Get some ice cream.
Probably, I don't know if we'll get one here or wait until the next one.
I'll tell you the next one.
Yeah, next one. But we're just going to explore the local areas and just take a chill day and show you some of the awesome scenery. If you guys are watching, it's going to be a nice relaxed video. Cool little look up. That castle looks pretty cool to get up to as well. I saw some people looking out from there. We have to kind of walk back on ourselves. We're going all the way back. That's nice.
It's very cute. Would you fit through that door?
No, but you would. That is a cute little cafe. So this is the official lookout point of Crail. It's got a lovely little sign, tells you all about places nearby.
Ah, yeah, you know what that is, it's over there.
Oh right.
The little one. That's Bash Rock, that's at Berwick.
What, the rock?
The little mound one.
Oh right.
There's Berwick.
So we are off to the next point in our destination, which is Anstruther.
But locals will see it differently. But Anstruther.
Anstruther.
The rest of Scotland will see it.
Yeah. We don't know what it's called. Maybe we'll find out. Maybe we won't. Maybe you should leave a comment in the description. Yeah. Do you know what it's called, guys? Drop a comment below and let us know what the Anstruther place is actually called.
Don't forget to subscribe.
Thanks for that, Lauren. Yeah, don't forget to subscribe, guys, as well.
Videos like this. Oh my god, such a good YouTuber.
We're here at the Royal Borough of Anstruther. It's the harbour area. And this here is the beach, which isn't very busy.
Lots of algae.
Yeah. Oh, that's homemade ice cream.
Yeah. You can see the wee door. You can see the where the ice cream turners.
Did you have a look at it?
What?
Ice cream. Is that just what, homemade ice cream? Also houses. What?
Next door. You can see
Oh right.
Oh, Jesus.
Oh, Scottish tablet, chocolate, bubblegum, chocolate lime,
Raspberry ripple.
marshmallow. Ooh.
Jelly.
It's got an award for its fish and chips, but I don't see any awards for ice cream. I'll be the judge of that. Oh, it's good. How is it? Good. How's yours, Lauren? Recommend the place, guys?
Yeah.
Very small, but very nice.
She was a bit aggressive with my scoop when she broke my cone.
Oh no!
Sean, it's literally running down your hand.
No!
Your ice cream seemed to have been harder than mine.
Right.
It's everywhere as per usual. Sean can't eat without getting it literally all over his face.
How was everyone's ice creams?
Good.
Good.
Very
So,
yummy.
where are we off to next, Holly?
Pittenweem, or as Sean said, Pittenweem.
Pittenweem. Yeah, we're off to Pittenweem. Pittenweem. It sounds like a kid.
Pittenweem.
So we're here at Pittenweem. Bruce has wind and also a nice little seat up there. But we're here to explore the little area. It's not much here. Again, very small little coastal town. So what we haven't done in a while, guys?
What?
We hadn't had a drone shot. One of those cheesy drone shots we've done together.
I'm sure we done that in the last video when we went to Gretna.
Correct.
It was Gretna the last one.
Did we do a cheese? No, we didn't do a cheesy one there, did we?
No, we done it at
Last time we did it at the Wangi.
No.
No, we didn't do it at
We went to the place and it was oh my god, the words have escaped me. The highest point.
The highest point. Oh, what, Lead Hills? You did we did a cheesy one there, did we?
We did.
It's been a while since we've been Lead Hills though, hasn't it?
When we were in the, see when we done the wee walk, and it was, we done the yellow route.
Yeah.
We done a cheesy.
Oh, we did a cheesy one there, did we? Let's do one. I think it'd be nice to do one here. Right, so we're off to Elie now, which is our last stop on the adventure, but it's going to be one of the most interesting points because we've got a couple of places we want to show you around Elie, but we'll wait until we get there to show you them. This is Ruby Bay, and it's a award-winning beach. You can see why just now. It is amazing. I will be taking my drone around if I can. It just looks amazing. It's really pretty. Beautiful walks. Lovely coastal road. Lovely coastal path. So calm here. Ah!
Thank God there's not a curfew bell kicking about.
I like inviting Lauren to videos. You know why? Because she... No. She lets like people know that I have other videos, and I can, if I wanted to, I could like clip back to it and be like, check out this video next, where I ring a curfew bell and annoy a whole village in the Lead Hills.
I think you're forgetting about the video where she told you to run up the hill in the Lead Hills and they wanted you to fall.
Yeah, I don't know why.
You didn't, no?
Didn't?
Well done, good job.
You nearly didn't make it up the hill though.
Yeah.
No. That was
Sorry, I'm first aid trained. I would have saved your life.
She wouldn't have ran it past you though. She would have waited until you rolled down the hill.
Yeah, I would have got you at the bottom.
Yeah.
You've already hurt yourself, just yeet yourself down the rest of the way and I'll fix it.
I'll fix you. Like, first aid train not really fixing me, but...
Well, it is. It'll save your life. That seems pretty fixing.
It's not pretty fixing. No, you just didn't fix me, you just didn't let me continue dying.
You know what all she would do? She would just go, saved your life.
They say travel with your friends, they do, right? There's a problem with this. When you travel with different people, you get three different kinds of travellers. You get the ones that want to sit there, see the world, and take things calmly. You get the people like me that wants to get on my drone and fly around. And then you get ones like that think, I have to sit really close up because I think I'm missing something. Mrs. FOMO over there.
I've got a card, she might go spend it. She's got a credit card in it and I know her pin.
Cool, let's go. So the next half of this video is our shopping spree in Lauren's money. The funny thing is she doesn't know, but she's taking a picture of my thumbnail right now. Right, let's get my drone out and fly. So this is the Ladies' Tower. It's quite famous in this area. It does look pretty cool. I just got a drone shot of it, so you're probably about to see that now. look at it. What's in the tunnel? Oh, it's little caves. Is it cool? Little cave. Oh, that's pretty cool down here. Oh. Yeah, this is probably the best area so far, actually.
Yeah. That
Little
little big bench.
bench. Wow, that's an old bench, isn't it? Whew. It's actually quite warm down there, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's quite cold up here. Yeah. Right, this is the Ladies' Tower. Oh.
The Tower of the Eastern Headland of Ruby Bay was built in 1770 for Lady Janet Anstruther, a beautiful daughter of the wealthy Lily merchant.
Just built, so...
It was used, no, she used it for changing for her daily swim.
What? So this so this tower was literally built as a changing room?
Yeah.
This is a changing room tower, guys. So if you ever want to get changed...
Fire.
Yeah, you get fire there.
Her daily swim, and she wanted a whole tower built
like,
for her.
somewhere to like put her. Tell
me that you're wealthy without telling me you're wealthy, guys. Yeah, I just want to get changed somewhere. Oh yes, fine, I'll build you a tower. Oh right, okay, it wasn't a massive changing room, guys. It was a resting spot. A cave is where she got changed. Yeah, we're down to the cave. So that's where she got changed.
Yeah. Mad. Saying the sands are really fun colour, it's like really orange.
Yeah.
I don't know, is it because the rock around it's black that it makes it look like that?
Well, I think it's by the sign, I think it's volcanic rock.
Yeah, it felt like volcanic rock when you sat on it, like crumbly.
Don't worry, lads. It'll look nice when you're getting changed. Thanks for watching, guys. If you enjoyed this video on the Fife Coastal Road, then you'll love other videos on our channel, like the Asgard video, which takes us all the way down to the borders of Scotland. Thanks again, guys, and I'll see you again. Bye! I'm done.